everyone. We have technically seen a couple of spits of sleet already, but just a little bit. We're not supposed to get anything in earnest. Hell, you can see it up there on the roof. Not supposed to get anything in earnest until lunchtime. We'll see. You know, they tell us as best as they can. I still want to go get our walk in. We're only going as far as South Park. How bad can it be? Hi. Hi. Come here, Stripey. Come here. Marty. Here you go. Hi. Stripe wanted out at 5:30 this morning. I just go right back to sleep. But I think that was, then he was stuck outside until 8:15. So got a little cold on him. Definitely going to change this water out. It's dirty. Oh yeah, I can hear the sleet in this water. Okay. Whoops, there's my feet. And there's Stripe. Always the leg warmer, hugger, rubber. And this guy's got ice in it, so I guess I'm cleaning this one out too. There's all kind of chunky ice. Chunky ice! Oh, that'll make my fingers feel great. Yep. It's going to be a wintry day. Johnny's going to get less than us. I've talked with him this morning. They were making hot coffee in the dorm room and taking a virtual class because the campus locked down for no reason. He said he hoped to go in person to Dr. Smith's statics class. She was likely to have it in person. We'll see. He's got energy drinks waiting on him in the Zevia energy drinks waiting on him in the mail room, but it's sort of on the other side of campus. All right, well, you can consider this the official before view. Hopefully I'll be outside this afternoon with a in progress view. Hey, hi honey. Hello, there you go. Hi. Hi. Hello, big boy. Hi. He just come in here and not be as nice as he could be. Normally what he does is he jumps up in this thing. This is his. When he was in here with Johnny, he likes to be up there. But if he comes, she won't be happy about it. And if they come face to face, she's liable to hiss at him or him hiss at her. So not hurt each other, just I don't like you each other. Hi, Gray. I have finished printing one each of the hearts this designer on Maker World had put out there. And they take between 2 and 4 hours to print. I printed at 0.8 super fine level. I followed her print profile, except on one I felt I had to fix the print profile. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. They're very efficient and inexpensive to print. And I think they added a lot to my tree over here since we have, you know, Valentine's Day. But I'm fixing to switch over. It won't be long to printing green things for St. Patrick's Day. So watch for that. And I did put my cat letters up here, my love letters. I ended up having to print a little flat platform to hold them so they wouldn't fall over. And the platform worked well. And I do like them. I had scaled up the letters and I scaled up the platform by 2 different people, but I made it work. I had to go in there with the ruler and I had to stretch it a little bit along one of the axes and it worked out good.
Brr. Snow shower.
It's snowing a little bit. I mean, technically we can see it. Yeah. I asked Don to drive the GMC. I told him I wasn't taking his summer tires. And Ruby's clean, so Ruby can't come out and the van won't run right now. So GMC it is. But that means no weight vest because we never transfer them. And Don said he wanted to stick with our let's do the trail. And I said, okay. Can you guys see the snow? We can definitely see the snow now. You have snow on your blue snowy shirt.
That's right.
I'm not dressed warm enough. I wanted to put on a second pair of leggings, but like every other day, I forgot until I already had my sneakers on, and I just was not taking my shoes off again. And then I really could use a third layer. I only got 2 layers on. I have my warmest jacket. I have the best one I got for this. Short of it's a blizzard, and then I can go get in the Michelin Man suit. But anyway, I'm a little cold. Don offered to turn around. I said, absolutely not. You don't dress warm enough, then you're just stuck not dressed warm enough. It's incentive to walk faster. So it's not sticking to the untreated asphalt, but it is sticking to the grass now. You can see it. Don's got a unplanned conference call here in a minute, so we might be quiet heading back to the car. That's liable to last the whole rest of the walk. Unfortunately, I don't think Don has his AirPods, earbuds, which is a little harder when you got your hoodie on.
Which is even harder with the hoodie on. That's right.
Yeah.
All right.
We've done at least 6 print jobs since Don fixed the printer. Obviously, none of them super long. I have been printing in PETG again. I just saw a little scratch there. I don't know. We don't usually open and close the door. It's easier if I take the plate off. It'll probably just flex right off the plate. There we go. So it had a little print in place piece of support. How neat is that? This is a food dish for the cats. And you'll notice that there's room for water down here. So what's supposed to happen is the ants come up and they climb in and they die in the water instead of getting in the dish. And the guy pretty much recommends that you would put a metal bowl or a glass bowl inside of here. And of course, I'm just planning on setting my normal white bowl on top. I'm going to give one a try. I'm going to really, really hope it works because the ants are so darn annoying. And then if it does, I'll print another one. And hey, you know, if it lasts 6 months, 4 months, it'll be worth it to keep the ants out of the cat food. And then I will, you know, I can print some more. So, all right, let me use both hands and clear the plate and get ready for the next print. I kind of hate to go inside. Well, it's not sticking to the road surfaces yet, but it's sticking to just about everything else. The boardwalk, the wood, certainly the ground. So I'm just giving you a little look-see at noon. We got lots more hours to go. Maybe we will hit 3 inches. It'd be nice. I am going to work on the roof for the blue building while I've got bacon in the oven and getting ready to cook us our midday meal. Eating once or within 2 hours and early in the day is proving helpful to me. Well, our driveway is still just wet. The cement may not be, but the asphalt is. And it's just a little after 1 and it's still coming down nicely. The roof is coated. Stuff is coated. First batch of bacon is out. The second batch is cooking. And I did finish the roof over here. It's 2:15 and you can see a little bit sticking to the driveway now. And Really starting to accumulate, especially in the woodsy areas. And last map I looked at made it seem like we are actually in the area now that's expected to get the most snow. So, you know, the thing they got right is there's going to be frozen precipitation today, and it's going to vary across the state, and we'll see how it shakes out. They got all of that right. I'm liking the snow. It's very nice that it's coming down during the day when we can enjoy it. For those of us that don't get it very often, we like to watch it come down once or twice a year. All right, now this is what I'm talking about. We had 15 to 30 minutes of rain. And then when the rain quit, the snow really picked up. And then it started covering the asphalt and everything now. Wow, check it out. Very cool. The next 3D print comes off the printer at 6:30. Hopefully Don will be willing to make it to the garage for me. I'm not going anywhere out there in this, off farther than the front porch where there's no snow and it's safe. I won't slip is what I'm trying to say. Wow. I was working on the video with Gray. I'm watching the snow fall out Johnny's window, and that's a really great place to sit in a snowstorm. Of course, my spot on the love seat and out the window is not too bad either. It's 4:30, and Don and I have just enjoyed the snow a bit. I am going to do the 6th and final bag. You can see I've got the parts laid out now. Unfortunately, I can't see out the window while I'm working, but I can turn around and look out the window whenever I want. And Stripe and Marty insisted that they go out for a minute, and I knew what Marty was going to do. He just ran right up next to Tux and is on the heating pad up there. And Stripe is underneath the bench, and Morris is in his spot. I did see Morris come on the camera on the front porch for a minute, but then he got right back in his hidey hole. So I'm sure Marty and Stripe will be begging to come in a minute. I tried to tell them. Well, I would say clearly now we've gotten 2 inches. That's my best guesstimate. And the sun was going down, so I thought I should come out and get at least one more good video while we could still see without having to turn on floodlights. I don't remember. I think it's going on 6 now. Here's where I break it to you.
Uh-oh.
I need you to go clear the plate.
Oh, really?
And move some cat food around.
There's like 3 inches of snow out there.
I'll go out if you want me to.
No, that's all right, sweetie. I can do it.
I don't think we want me falling on my backside, so I'm sending you. So look, you got to take the food very carefully out of the cat hotel.
Oh, out of the
So
cat.
the raccoons don't go in there where Morris is.
Okay.
No eye contact with him and move slow.
Okay.
And then you have to take the food down that's next to Tux.
Yeah.
And put it all on the bricks.
Oh, so I have to do all this walking in that deep, drifty
Put on
snow.
some boots.
Yeah.
And then I need you to clear the plate.
Yes, ma'am.
And don't scare everybody starting to try to shuffle stuff around. You can mess with it tomorrow morning.
Yes, ma'am.
It's cold.
It is. Very much.
Well, there it is. Finished on up. I really like it. I added the owl, and I probably need to add a few minifigures, if not inside where you can't see them, at least in the front. And I'd kind of like to swap out some of the decoration on the cake to pink frosting looking things instead of gold and, well, whatever's in there, because that's just not working for me. The only thing that surprised me about this was that on the back side here, this wasn't an enclosed roof. I mean, why not just provide the two, these are construction scoopers is what they are, used as a roof. I was really surprised that it didn't come back here. And what this is this is enclosed. and it's you know, a terrace grill kind of an area, but it looked so much like a kitchen with a, you know, fan and everything that I just was really surprised that it wasn't enclosed. But I mean, it would be easy enough to enclosed if I had more of the scooper things, but I don't, so I guess I won't. But anyway, yep, it's all, whoa, I didn't mean to do that. It's all finished up. Did you see what I did? I pushed just a little too hard. I did add some extra, things, studs on these two here, this layer and this layer, but I forgot to replace this one for the roof. So I guess I should do that still. I'm going to leave it here for at least a couple of weeks. I have the spot ready for it in the green room curio cabinet, but I put a lot of work into it, so why not leave it out here where we can enjoy it.